during December time and stuff, I'm probably gonna focus on Instagram anyways because
Yeah, for
there
sure.
won't be too many. There won't be too many trades for myself. I can't lie.
Yeah. All right. We are live. Beautiful stuff. I need to plug the chats. That's what I need to do.
Morning all, morning all.
Nothing on GJ so far. There's a 15-minute order block just sitting here waiting, so I'm not gonna buy.
Yeah,
It's a little dangerous.
late. Who's late? Late man? You're not late. What are you talking about?
Mm.
You are not late, my friend.
It was that 1 minute. He's holding himself accountable for the 1 minute. It's all
No,
good.
no, no, no. Don't beat yourself up over that, bro. Don't you beat yourself. Also, can we mod Elite Man? I think
That's
we're,
true.
I think we're,
If you're on the Enigma channel, you can do it.
yeah, yeah. I'll go on it.
Since Leap Man is a regular now. So.
We are getting more and more people, anyways, so we can definitely mod him.
What pairs you looking at, Leap Man? Right now in GJ, I want to further push down before I start looking for these buys into that area. Right now it's a little dangerous, you know. We had all this push down. I'm not going to buy off one candle. Plus, even in general, in terms of my higher time frames, I'm thinking we could get this push down now. Especially after we pushed so high up and just retraced the whole move. In terms of the weekly candle, if I don't know. I'm wondering how the weekly candle is going to close. In terms of the daily, it's looking bearish. I think on the daily, if this candle closes a little stronger, tomorrow could be a very strong bearish candle. So in general, the bias is leaning towards the bearish side right now.
Just realized I might be going against ICT concepts. I didn't even realize I was.
What do you mean?
Look, I shall show. I'm not sure if this is true because again, I don't know ICT in, concepts inside out. But normally this is what happens, right? So you get a consolidation. You wait for a break of structure, and you wait for that break of structure to create a fair value gap. It created one over here on the hour time frame. I'll actually be selling once price reaches this level back into this level. So technically, I'll be going against him as if price goes here, technically all the ICT members should be buying for continuation back up.
Sort of, yeah. But at the
I'm
same
actually going
time,
against.
they would be selling too, because it took equals. If it came into a selling area somewhere else,
Yeah,
they'd probably be once it pushes down, they'd be waiting for. It's doing this. Obviously, people on both sides. So
yeah. Even in ICT concept, yeah, show those people. But for me, yeah, for me it's this because like it took major liquidity. This is like I mean, this is I guess a fair value gap, but it could happen like that. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Did I delete my? No, I didn't. Okay. Let's see what I was talking about yesterday. So euro dollar. I was expecting a bearish sentiment, but you can see that luckily we didn't execute on anything yesterday.
or did you not
And
get a live entry?
I did not. I was waiting till like 8:30, but nothing happened. It is what it is. Gold is back at resistance though, or SR flip. Could use as a break and retest, but we'll see how price reacts to it. We'll see.
Goldilocks.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. GPAUD again. It was falling, man. It was falling. Actually, I want to see crypto. I might delete my crypto entry at this point because it is not. It looks like it's not even falling down or retracing anymore. It's quite annoying. Quite annoying.
What was that about crypto?
I was looking to buy up, right? But it's not retracing. It's just pushing up and up and up. I'm sure as soon as people start closing there,
Yeah. Will you enter if it comes back down?
I am. I want to. I've got limits already. I've got limits at 1600 and 1550.
Right. But
15,500 anyways. Just clarify that. There might be a reversal point for Dixie here for it to stop pushing up. Therefore, gold might start pushing back down again. Yeah, yeah.
moment, I have no clue where EU or GU going. Even I don't take scalps or nothing at the moment.
That's reassuring to hear because I don't have. I've got no clue what he's going at the moment.
Yeah.
That's reassuring to hear for sure, man.
Yeah. I was on the 5 minute time frame before.
I'm gonna go make my hot chocolate. Be right back.
Alright, sound. Yeah, for GJ, I know GU's usually similar to GJ. So on GJ, I'm looking for these highs to get taken, and GJ probably these lows here. The thing is, I could try and buy from here, smart money wise. Some probably would be looking to do that, get this buy from here, but you know, technically we're in bearish structure. So there's a high chance of us, doing this, and then boom, completing that low. So I'm gonna play a little more safe today, and I'm gonna look for buys once we take this low, or sells once we take this high. And then GBP USD, let's see. Yeah, is GU similar? He's left his screen share. Okay. For the moment, for me, it seems like GJ is correction. Yeah, exactly. GU probably. GU is tricky to be fair, because it looks like it might have taken liquidity already. If you see, got these highs taken here, had a little extra move, now we're starting to push down. What are the odds? I would start looking for a reaction here, personally, if I was trying to sell. Either that or you miss the first move. But for buys are a little trickier. I'd say the nice area to look for is here, 1.028, just because it also lines up with the key level, and once price takes that low, if it starts to bounce up, and you get a close back above the level, could be a nice buy. Even back up to that selling area I just talked about. Possibly, yeah. But I'm pretty sure you had a good week, didn't you? 'Cause, me too, so I'm not too fussed about catching anything. Yeah, that's it. It is a Thursday. We've had two fairly big days. I don't know about GU, but GJ, like, large moving days, volatile. Look at this. Yeah, literally every day of the week has moved quite a lot, generally. So today, I don't know. Let's see what happens. I hope I aren't gonna ruin the last 2 days. No, man, manage your risk, as they say. That can't really happen, can it? Some people, if they've had an amazing first 2 days, first 3 days, they won't trade on the last two. I'm sort of still deciding whether that's a good thing or not, because I'm sort of wondering, it's still just another trading day. Let's say every week you just missed the last 2 days of the week or last day, over a year that adds up, and it could end up being a waste of your time. It could just you be the person being lazy. That's it. It is technically another trading day, but if you go over your data and you see that every single Thursday or every single Friday you do lose, that and you realize, okay, there's nothing like on the chart that's showing me why I lose on these days, then it makes sense. Then it makes sense to skip that day. But otherwise, I feel like you should just show up every day and take what the market shows you. Where's the GJ chat at? GJ 30-minute down, top wick. Yeah, but the hour's about to close, isn't it? So the hour's quite strongly bearish. 30-minute top wick, I would look at that when it's only halfway through the hour, because then you can look at the hour candle, if you know what I mean.
Fuck on.
Or 30-minute candle when it's been 15
I didn't have
minutes.
camera the entire time.
Basically, whenever half of a candle is done, then look at the other time frame below it. Then it will sort of make sense.
I don't know. I didn't have a camera. Can't lie.
What was that?
I don't know. I didn't have a camera on.
It is, but it's a black screen.
Again.
You got
Oh
it
yeah.
from yesterday again.
Again, I didn't plug it in because I moved my laptop elsewhere. I had to disconnect my thingy. There it is. Found it. Should be.
No, I think the camera's just not connected properly, Elite Man. He's not just sat there in the dark. Oh, he might
I
be.
am sat here
I
in
don't
the
know, he
dark,
might be in
but
the dark.
it's not that dark.
Yeah, not that dark.
No, Logitech. Oh,
Yeah.
crap.
You're still sharing your screen, by the way.
Oh, am I? Didn't mean to.
There you go.
Didn't mean to. Am I back?
There he is.
Here you go, boys.
I think you got quite a lot of people on yesterday's FOMC stream, didn't you?
Yeah.
I saw there's about 8 people who joined.
I had one person trying to blow his bloody son's tuition, future tuition money.
Nah.
I was like, no, I gamble,
Was he
so go
waffling?
away.
Was he waffling or?
Nah, he was like, oh, do you, what's it called? Do you provide signals? I was like, not really, no. I put my analysis on the group, but no, I don't like providing signals. And I was like, oh, I'm with another friend as well. We live stream every day. And he asked, oh, does he provide signals? I was like, well, I guess you can call it a signal. Because, like, I guess, exactly. I said, I guess you can, but no, I don't know. We preferred not to, do the whole signal thing.
Yeah.
And he asked, what's your RR so far? And I was like, well, I think so far, I mean, if you count yours, I count mine. This week it's been 8%.
Has it? That's pretty good.
Yeah.
What was your? So it was your Euro USD and gold, wasn't it? That carried
Euro
that.
USD, gold, GBP AUD,
Yeah.
all three of them, absolute, beautiful trades. And for yourself, obviously, 2 GJ trades as well this week.
Yeah.
So decent stuff. And then yeah, he was like, "Oh, how big is your win rate? Or how good is your win rate?" I was like, "Well, I guess I have on average 80% win rate." And then
So
he was like, "Okay."
You.
Yeah, I was like, "Oh, I feel like I'm getting a job interview."
Yeah.
and he was like, "Okay, because I'm gonna be trading my son's tuition." I was like, "Then I'm gambling. I'm gambling for sure. So don't trade like me then, because I don't want him to trade like me, especially in news. That'd be stupid."
Yeah. He's definitely capping though. Like that.
Maybe his name's Fortnite King. There's no way he's got a son.
Yeah, there you go. He is the sun, bro. He ain't,
At Fortnite King, if you're watching right now, change your name first of all.
Fortnite King, bro.
GBP USD is starting to fall back down below. What a stupid hour finish that was. It literally was 3 pips away from finishing back down below for me to execute, but now I have to wait another one.
Let me dress up the chart again.
I hope yeah, I hope he hasn't lost his money yesterday, and I hope he didn't go to some random guy's live stream and lose money.
He probably went to the live streams where no one's actually there.
Hopefully.
There's this one stream I've seen. It's just showing the chart. I don't. You've probably seen it. It goes up and down. Here it says
Yeah.
buy. Here it says sell. Buy, sell, buy, sell.
Yeah.
No one's actually there, but
Like no one's talking. It's just execution and charts,
yeah.
yeah.
But bare people watch
FTMO
it.
emailed me. FTMO says, "Dear trader, I hope this email finds you well. I write you with regard to your profit split invoice for your FTMO account and account number." I'm not saying that out loud. Unfortunately, due to the yearly verification of our account by Wise, the bank wire transfer payments are currently on hold and cannot be processed. We're working at finding solution as soon as possible. In order to speed up the process for you to receive the funds in time, we would like to ask you resubmit the invoice and change your withdrawal method to cryptocurrency, BTC, or LTC only, or Skrill. I don't know what Skrill is, so I didn't put Skrill. We are sorry for the inconvenience.
What was that about the yearly verification? What's that?
By bank transfer. So I think they get obviously regulated to
Yeah.
check if they actually do transfer the things that they say.
Right. Okay. Interesting.
Yeah. So yeah, I'm not getting my money for quite some time apparently. Unfortunate.
What's quite some time? Have they not said
I
that
don't know.
anywhere?
I don't know what that would be. It just depends on how long it will be, I guess.
At least they message you. To be fair.
Yeah, exactly. At least it wasn't like all of a sudden, oh, I'm not getting my money. So
Mm.
I could have changed it to be fair to cryptocurrency and put it into my crypto wallet, but I was like, I don't know. It's something new, and I don't want to try it. You know what I mean?
True.
I've never been
Are
paid
you
in
gonna
crypto
make a
before.
separate crypto wallet just for this, or would you
FTMO?
just for the
No, it'll
transfer?
be
You keep
easy.
the same one.
No, I'll just keep the same one.
Mm.
I'll have an invoice to prove how much is going in and going out, but I just didn't want to try it just in case. I wanted to just stay with the whole bank transfer.
Yeah. So I'm guessing, how long have they had that crypto option for?
Um, a long time, a long time.
Surely it
But
works out better
they
for
do have
them.
some. So what trade should I go in?
100 lots by GJ, honestly.
Don't, please don't.
And you can see on
We
the
don't know how
chart.
gullible people are, man.
Nah, no one's that gullible. Sad cash. Surely not. You can see what I'm looking for in GJ. I'm waiting for this low to get taken here. Then I'm going to be looking for buys. And targeting these highs eventually here. If
Your
not,
lot.
if price comes all the way up here, I'll be selling once it takes those highs.
I'm waiting for another hour before I execute on my trade, so it'll be London Open. Stay tuned. Stay tuned for the trades.
Stay tuned, man.
But yeah, I don't know. The whole crypto thing is a bit sketchy at the moment.
With crypto, if you got paid in crypto, would you take it out straight away?
I would, yeah, I would, because I still have to pay tax on it.
Yeah, no. The one thing I always thought about, when you get paid in crypto, or you're paying in crypto. Surely,
Yeah,
would you trust it just to keep money in there?
I think some people that is the plan. They just get paid in crypto just because they want to hold it anyway, so they just keep it there.
Yeah, I
That's
always
the plan
wondered
for
about
most.
that, though. But surely, would you? Because what if you're buying or selling your business, your products, your services in crypto? You don't really know what crypto's gonna do. Then you end up,
No, but yeah, if it's cash flow you don't need and you can survive without it, then
yeah,
people are just gonna hold it. Um, I think a football player got paid all his salary in crypto.
no
And
way.
now he's like that was at the peak of crypto, by the way, at the
Oh,
height of crypto. So he is down bad. I forgot which football player it was.
yeah. I mean,
I mean,
but what
American
was it
football,
all in one
not.
go? Was it every week?
I think obviously it's normal salary rate,
Right.
not all in one go. This is American football, by the way, not English football.
Right.
But yeah, he is probably down bad right now. Crazy, huh? Crazy.
I mean, I'm sure he's fine now.
Imagine people getting paid in FTT. Their whole year worth nothing.
I'll go on, Mark.
I
Time
do.
for the
I do
Bitcoin
indeed.
analysis.
I do.
I need to
12K,
go make my
10K.
tea anyway, so if you want to show your screen.
Hmm. 1 second, I'll show you guys what I'm thinking for crypto right now.
Yeah, lads, whoever's watching, I'm not having any more coffee for 2 weeks minimum.
I'm having hot chocolate instead of coffee.
Man switched up as well.
Hmm. I want to try the benefits or the non-benefits, I guess. Okay, so Bitcoin right here, boys. Well, the deal makes us coffee. So look at the weekly time frame, guys. We are overall still very bearish at the moment, right? We're still making lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. Even still here, lower highs, lower highs. We still have not made a higher high. So we're very, very bearish still. I do anticipate a little bit of a pullback over here for Bitcoin. I do expect it to go to around 17,000 or 18,000 around that level before we start pushing back down into 10,000s. I'll show you guys exactly why, though. I think that I'm not just gonna tell you guys, show you guys that. So first of all, you guys currently see that we're in this range right now, right? On the higher time frame. So if I get this box, I'll show you exactly where the range is. From this low to this high, everything inside here is inside this bar. This is inside the range, okay? So if that's the case, you see what happened here? We have the low over here. We've grabbed the lows, enticed a lot of sellers into the market. I'm sure loads of sellers, loads of breakout traders got entered in this market. Look what happened after. Let's look at let's zoom in a little bit more. Let's hide the view app because I don't want you guys to get confused. Okay, so let's zoom in right here on the 4 hour. You can see these lows right here. What happened? We broke these lows. What happens if we break these lows? One, these buyers over here have their stop loss over here. So they have their stop loss over here. So now these buyers, these early buyers, got hunted. Great. The other thing is these people over here with potential sell stops or looking to get in at the break of this low because obviously they expect price to continue falling as soon as that consolidation is broken. What happened to them? They can see they can have their stop loss over here, here, or here. They're all about to get tapped out. You see that? Their stop loss tapped here, and now potentially this one as well. So I think we're going to overall hunt all the way back up into the top of the range, potentially even back into this weekly zone over here. To get breakout traders over here, just imagine how many breakout traders looking to, if you guys know the Raja Bank's concept, right? Clean candles to the left, right here. And then we also have a breakout trade out here. How many people do you think are going to breakout trade back up into these zones? I can imagine. Oh crap! I don't want to delete that. I can imagine quite a bit of people are looking to get out, looking to buy at the break of that zone. But I'm going to do the opposite because if everyone's doing it, I'm going to do the opposite. So as soon as price falls up and then falls back down into these range, I can be sure that these people got hunted, and then bears are in control of the market. So at that point, I'm going to look to sell. In terms of first targets, I'm looking to target 14,000 because of the weekly level you can see here, this weekly zone right here. I'm looking to target this, and then even lower still down to 12,000, and if that breaks to 10,000 as well. So that's how low I think crypto will be. After that, I'll see this as probably a major support, but actually looking for buy opportunities in the short term anyways, because I don't really want to go against this entire trend, especially if it goes all the way down to 10K. But I'll still be looking for buy opportunities around that level, just because at this point it's quite a major low. A lot of people probably get involved around 10,000 because it's quite a bargain for what crypto is. So yeah, so I'm looking at. Sup, man? No coffee, how so? I'm just chilling. I'm just chilling with my thing. Hot chocolate, jeez. How you doing, Fernando? How you doing? Sorry, I didn't have the chat up at the moment because I was looking analyzing. But yeah. As for my next position, potentially it's going to be a GU short over here. I was looking at it yesterday, however, it didn't give me the opportunity to do so. So GU, I mean pound USD. I'm looking for it to break back down into these zones, and then potentially start looking to fall back down over here. That's my anticipation. We'll see though. We'll see though. As for gold, again, we're still in this trade right now. I'm probably gonna tell the group to move their stop loss at these highs potentially, because currently it's at break even. We could potentially look at moving it at these highs, and then leaving the rest to run. This is a major resistance zone, as it was a previously support. You can see there's quite a major zone that we could potentially start falling back down from. But again, we need to see how price really reacts to this level before we can say that's the case. So we'll go with that. Pound yen, you can see it's starting to fall below at the 4-hour level that I was anticipating. However, I was anticipating it to kind of break slightly above here for the continuation back down. However, it didn't. It started falling. Pound Aussie dollar, I got tapped out of break even yesterday. I did secure some partials, but you can see that I got tapped out of break even here, tapped out of break even here. Overall secured a little bit of profit, but nothing major. We are starting to fall back down below though, so I may look at re-entering these shorts, but we'll see. No rush at all. No rush at all. Okay, Adeel's back, so you can have the screen back. Here you go, boys.
Nice. Good timing. Jesus, what has GJ done? And this is why I didn't take those buys earlier. Jesus.
I hope that made sense, Sad Cash. Although I think your name is either Cash or you're into computers.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. What are you saying,
I'm
Fernando?
not a busy man. Never too busy to speak to you guys. Never too busy.
Well, what did you say?
I'm not currently on the chat because I'm looking at the charts and I don't have a second screen to look at it. I didn't explain that bit. I probably should have. What's everyone looking at? What's everyone looking at? Oh, let's put a poll up. What should be a poll be?
Let's look at gold. Goldilocks. Are you still in those gold cells?
I am. Well, as I said, I would be, but I got tapped. No, I didn't get tapped out. I got destroyed by FTMO.
Oh no. Oh yeah, you had to close because of FTMO.
Yeah, I would be, and new is pretty sure.
Gold buy scalps and GJ sells. Nice. So you caught the breakout in gold, I'm guessing.
Mhm. There you go, boys. Answer the poll. Wow. Straight up noob. Someone straight up answered noob. That's hilarious. Not laughing at you. It's just funny that it was like the first thing. Don't worry about it. I'm not laughing at your skill level, I promise.
He is.
Fernando, man, you're no noob, bro.
Can you see who's voting for what?
No, you can't. No, and Fernando just said it was me. He owned up to it.
Alright, we're all noobs now.
Welcome back, James. You guys are too humble, that's for sure. James, I've seen your analysis. You are no noob at the very
James,
least.
your analysis was so complex. I didn't even reply to it.
Exactly.
You ain't no noob. You ain't no noob, bro.
Dear oh dear, James.
It's because you got futures involved. So then
You got futures involved too.
I think he was
like,
talking about
extra
futures. So I thought I don't really know about it.
Now we should rant it according to trading setup. If that's the case, James should be an absolute expert.
Yeah. How many indicators do you have? Boom, your level goes up. S&P. Oh yeah, you are the ICT student.
It is the ICT.
The E-money makes sense. Do you use Think or Swim like him then? That whole.
He uses MetaTrader, I'm pretty sure.
I don't
use indicators. Pure price action. Hey, nothing wrong with indicators. I use indicators somewhat.
Yeah.
I can't find volume without indicators. That's my justification of putting indicators on my screen.
MetaTrader. To be fair, even with my chart, I didn't need all this stuff. Like what we're gonna do one day is literally just have it like this.
Yeah.
Start buying and selling. People will be like, "What are you doing, bro?"
Except for me, because I need my indicator.
Yeah, because Mark has actual volume on there, but there's a lot of things we could just not put on screen, but it looks better for the volume. Stream. So I use MACD's volume.
MACD does volumes? I didn't know MACD. What's it called? Tracks volumes. That's a new one for me.
I've heard of MACD. I've never used it.
It looks like that Ichimoku cloud almost, really. I think, from what I remember. Yeah.
The VWAP looks like the Ichimoku too.
Yeah. You
It
don't be
does. They're like the Three Musketeers to be fair.
disrespecting my VWAP like that. Disrespecting what's
Is that not
Megan
what the
Stallion.
Ichimoku is then? Let's see what the Ichimoku is.
Disrespecting what's the name? Cardi B.
Oh
Disrespecting
yeah,
Cardi
how
B
you
like that, bro.
disrespecting Cardi B, bro?
Also loved VWAP back then. VWAP is still my indicator, go-to indicator
Actually,
currently. I use quarterly, weekly. Yeah, I use quarterly and weekly in session. I use three of them to. If they all line up, then surely I gotta have a 100% trade, right? VWAP
nah.
is OG.
It
VWAP is a dying art. That's what it is.
Ichimoku's
VWAP
a
is a
little
dying art.
different. It's a
Ichimoku's
very weird
another.
combination of like EMAs and your VWAP. This is weird.
Yeah, it's too complex for me. I can't see that. VWAP is a dying art, bro. Yeah, everyone, yeah. No one knows it no more.
I remember
Not,
back in my day
not
when
us.
everyone used VWAP.
I don't remember anyone else using
When I
VWAP.
used to use the RSI, I never got the hang of any indicator.
Yeah. To be fair, indicator. It's I got the hang of VWAP because I tested it by itself. MA, I mean MA is a little bit. I don't know. I don't think MA is that all that useful comparatively to other ones. They have their place in analysis. Obviously, they all indicators have their place. They're made for a reason, right? They have their each skill sets, but yeah,
Yeah, you know what's funny about the indicators though? At the start of trading, everyone tells
yeah,
you,
maybe,
"Oh, you don't need
yeah,
indicators." Do at least the route we went down. Everyone's like, "You don't need indicators. Price action for the win."
mm,
But now that we've been looking at the charts more, we realized there's certain indicators that literally tell you how, like the volume. For
yeah. There's
example, the VWAP. It literally is using buying and selling data, telling you this many
yeah,
people are entering here. For
exactly.
example, I show the. This is the fixed volume profile. You drag it, and it is literally telling you in
Where
this
the volume
zone
is, yeah,
here, that's where most people entered, and it's all these spikes you see here. You know, wherever it goes down like this, wherever the
yeah.
bumps are,
I
it's
mean,
telling you more people entered there.
yeah.
So
Whether they're
technically,
buyers or
you've actually
sellers,
got an
yeah,
advantage by using these sorts of things.
exactly.
I don't really use it, but
It gives you
eventually,
it gives you it gives you information that other people may not have, even though it is
yeah,
accessible. You know. But yeah, well, yeah, volume is, I think, the blood, not the bloodline really, but it's one of the most important parts of trading. I would say volume.
yeah.
Obviously, liquidity is also important because if you don't have liquidity, no one will be able to execute any trades. So that's important as well. But without volume, well, the market wouldn't move. So I think that's why volume for me is one of the most important parts, especially my trading. So as I said, I'll say it again, time and time again. So I only look at price action. I look at structure, volume, and what's the other one? Liquidity. Those are the four things I really look at. And I look at them all in various different time frames. So I get a bigger picture view. I get a more in-depth view of the market and what's actually most recent information, and so on and so forth.
Let's see how
I
this
also
30-minute
yeah,
closes.
I also tried to say that I try to incorporate market psychology into it, seeing how people would feel at each different points, because that's also quite important. Because the market is quite manipulated. It's designed to make you feel absolute crap. That's what market is. The market moves
That's how it's
designed to
manipulated.
make you feel absolute crap. If you're buying, the market's gonna go down. That's how it is. That's how it always been. That's how it's always gonna be.
But again, you can see volume technically from candles alone. Not
I
exact
guess. Yeah.
volume,
Yeah.
but you can gauge it in relative. How would I say
Yeah.
that? You can see volume relatively to the other candles just by looking
Mm,
at the candle itself.
yeah.
But the indicators will tell you the exact numbers.
The market plays more with my heart than the
Facts.
girl. Oh, bro, that cut deep, eh? Whoa. I took a turn. The market does play with the heart.
You can't get heartbroken once you've opened MT5. You know, it's
What? Yeah, because you're already heartbroken every
you're
single
never
day.
going back. It's just like what? What more can you do to me? It's gone.
My heart is shown to be shredded to pieces. I'm gonna share a site where you can analyze volume injection on US Treasury. Oh yes, please. That sounds like a
Right.
we can have our own Chinese indicator.
Yeah.
Hey, hey.
Anyone seen that? The Chinese indicator. It's pretty
From Roger
funny.
Bank.
But yeah, the 30 minute, if this closes rejecting, could be an interesting buy back up to this sell area. Um, of course, the 1 hour will be halfway through, so at that point, if you can imagine, if the 1 hour candle's a doji with a massive bottom wick, what's the chances the next half hour does this? I think
50%.
I think it's quite high,
Oh.
I think it's quite high of,
I'm joking.
if the
Yeah.
first half of the hour did rejected and went up, there's a
Yeah,
high
the
chance for the
rest
next
could
half
potentially,
hour,
yeah.
finishing it.
Shout out on Discord. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. If you guys want the link, join the Discord.
Yeah. See,
Get baited. Get baited.
already. One
Uh,
minute. Gear on it.
What's he saying? So what was the YouTube thing about? Did we get copyrighted because I showed like one clip of
I
someone
thought it was just
accidentally?
music, but you tell
Nah, it's
me.
not. That's not music. Claimed by SME.
SME's a music label.
Oh, is it?
Sony Media Entertainment or something
Oh,
like that.
okay then. It was music then. I don't know what music it was. Played too many.
Come on, bro, that's twice now.
It's fine. It's fine. We still got the.
So I'm guessing if that stream was monetized, that would be a strike. I'm guessing.
No, they'll probably ask us, do you wanna get a strike? Or do you wanna get paid? Do you wanna get paid and get a strike, or do you wanna just take it down? Just like just take it down,
Yeah.
lad. Let's see. Oh, it is a Chinese indicator. I see the I see Chinese writing.
Wait, is it actually?
But yeah.
I'm trying to go on it now.
Whoa. You can see the injection of money. That's pretty cool. This is quite good data to use, to be fair. See, I want two types of bots. Okay, so when I do get the time to start making bot and stuff like making trading bots, I want two different types of bots. I want one that does purely fundamentals, and the other one purely technical. I want to see which one's better.
All right, let's see this.
I'm not very good at
CME
fundamentals
group.
quite yet to make that bot, but yeah.
Oh, Chinese writing.
That's what I mean. That's Chinese indicator.
Okay, yeah, so it's telling you the actual volume. So I'm guessing this helps you with gold or any USD pair affiliated. Google APIs and you can come back to me accessing the data. What do you mean?
Google's API. I can spin something up for you. Oh right, like coding. Yeah,
Oh,
the
the whole
thing is,
volume
I
thing
want
you
to
were
do it.
just
I
on
want to do
about.
it myself as well. I want to get involved in the
I
whole
was gonna
coding
say.
part as well. I am trying to learn back up again, so I'm like literally spending my day. So my days are now split up into bat testing, tracking oil, trading, creating some sort of content for YouTube to give some sort of value, hopefully, and coding, practicing my coding back again. My days are very busy at the moment, although never too busy to go on Discord and have a chat though. That's why you guys should join the Discord chat down below, free.
That was too soon. That was too soon. Now they're like, fuck off, Mark. What are you doing, bro?
uh, it's funny. It's
Oh,
just
what? So
funny.
you're trying to learn coding again?
Well, I'm trying to get better at it again. Get back to my
Yeah,
old fighting shape with
for coding.
code.
Fair
Yeah,
enough. Actually, I guess how fast is the learning curve when it comes to coding?
huge,
Is it quite
huge.
good?
I think of. I've struggled with coding so many times. Like every single time I learn something new, I struggle with it. I have to like copy and paste from a website, like
Yeah.
the answer. I can't think of it myself. You have to be very logical and very thing.
I remember
I
we
can
did the
learn you
very
crazy
the
stuff, so you
very
always ask
most
me. Yes,
basic
please.
stuff we did in high
Mm.
school. You know the 1010. What's it called?
Binary.
Binary. Yeah,
Yeah.
we did the very most basic stuff in high school, but I didn't do it at A level.
Binary is most basically is not basic
Yeah.
at all. Binary is not basic.
No, but
If
I'm
you can
guessing
code
when it
in
comes to
binary,
coding,
fair enough.
when it comes to coding, I'm sure that's the most easiest thing to learn, isn't it?
But binary, one and zeros. I think it's really hard to
Is
create
it?
any code with one and zeros. Yeah, that's why you create Python. That's why they
Right,
created
yeah.
Python, so you don't have to deal with the one and zeros. It does the one and zeros,
Yeah.
but like it's still in English, so it's pretty good.
I guess we entered the matrix for real, you know. Once you
Yeah.
start learning binary,
Once you get the one you can learn
literally
binary,
ones and zeros.
yeah, then you're in the Matrix for sure. Well, you've escaped because you can code the Matrix for yourself.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Then you realize you've got a boss, and it's like, oh.
I honestly hate the fact that Matrix is a whole concept now. You know?
I mean, it's always everyone's always said that. He just made it popular.
Did he? I
It
don't
was
remember.
it was a thing where people said the Matrix. It's just you didn't see many people talking about it.
I don't know. I don't remember. I just
But now you literally can't say the Matrix without him getting involved.
I can't lie. It's so cheesy to me. It's so cheesy.
I bet they're loving the pre-promo. I bet. I bet. What's his name?
It was popular enough.
What was the
Fair
actor's name?
enough.
Keanu Reeves.
Keanu Reeves.
I was
Yeah.
like, oh my god, this guy's just made me famous for like. I didn't even have to do anything. I'm just relevant again.
Bro, he was always relevant, my guy.
Yeah, but a lot more now than.
No. He was always
I know he
relevant.
was always famous.
He was
But
always a beloved character, a
I know
beloved
Keanu's always
person.
been famous, but you know.
Yeah, always been beloved. Yeah, because he does what's it called? The other one where he's called the Boogeyman on it.
John Wick.
What's it called?
John Wick.
Wick.
John
Yeah,
Wick's a
yeah,
good
yeah,
movie.
John
I
Wick.
can't lie.
That's John Wick
I
as
think they're
well.
on like the fourth. They're even getting another one out now.
They're getting another
Fourth or
one. Yeah, I'm
fifth
actually
one.
excited for it. I watched the first one and the second one. I haven't got watched the third one yet, but I can't. Like, it's all-time favorite movies. Anyone? What's everyone's all-time favorite? I wonder.
All-time favorite movie.
It's gonna be Avengers, isn't it? A lot of the young ones.
Nah, no.
Avengers.
I don't think there are any young ones here though.
That is true. Yeah.
Everyone's probably our age or a bit older.
Now, all the young ones is like the Fortnite the movie or something.
Yeah, Fortnite King's gonna turn up. American Pie. I've never seen American Pie. Isn't that about?
It's a funny one.
I heard it's
Wolf
a
of
good
Wall
one.
Street, of course,
Yeah,
of
Wolf of Wall
course,
Street's
Wolf of
good.
Wall Street. Fernando's on smoke,
Yeah.
on blow.
Fernando's trying to escape the Matrix for real. You know. That is a good movie. I'm trying to think. It's loads, man.
It is sad that they banned Quaaludes though. Fernando would love to try one of them.
No Quaaludes on stream, bro.
No Quaaludes on stream.
He's just pulled out a little vial out of his pocket. He's like,
Oh, imagine.
yeah, sure.
They're bare out of date as well, so their effects must be wild.
Oh,
According to
what?
Wolf
Did they
of Wall
not even
Street.
make them for medical reasons either?
No, they don't anymore. No.
All right.
Not that I know of. Limitless is a pretty good movie
Oh
too.
wait,
Yo,
that's a
Risky, welcome
shout.
back.
That's actually a shout, Fernando. Limitless is
What's
amazing.
Limitless? I've never watched
I
it.
think it's the one where. Do you know the actor from A Team? Not the old one. Have you seen the A Team?
A-Team. No.
You know what? A Team might be one of my best movies too. But Limitless, basically, he takes this pill. He's a struggling writer, right?
Oh yes. Okay.
You know,
Yeah. As
he's
soon
a
as you say
failing
that,
writer,
yeah,
right?
yeah,
His whole
yeah,
life
yeah,
seems to be shit. He's like, what can I do? And then
Yeah.
I think he if accidentally finds a bag of pills or someone gives it to him, and
Yeah.
it basically unlocks all of his mind. It's sort of like Lucy, but better, in my opinion.
I was gonna say it sounds like
It's better
yeah,
than
it sounds
Lucy.
like
It's the original version of Lucy. I think it's better.
yeah. That's fair enough. What is it? I watched White Chicks a lot recently. Well, not recently. Back in the day,
Yeah.
White Chicks was quite a funny one.
Was that a series?
No, it's
Right.
one movie, bro.
Oh, is it a movie?
It's one of my guilty pleasures. It's just funny.
Right. I've always heard about that. I've never seen it. But
I don't know if it's not really that good anymore, really. It's just funny back when I was like still young.
yeah.
Some comedy. Although I will watch Limitless though. I'll have it in the background while like coding.
I
It
can't
might
lie.
give me some sort of thingy though. Some sort
Yeah,
of
Limitless is one of them movies, bro. It makes you. There's two ways
Makes
you
you
can
wanna
go
work.
about it. One of it's like,
Yeah.
oh, it's depressing. You lose everything at the end, but also, it's one of them that makes you think, oh, what if I found a pill that did this? What if I could unlock? What if I could unlock my whole mind? What's going on?
bro, there is a pill like that. I
What?
don't know. It's probably red pill, blue pill. Imagine. Yo,
I used to watch
Dora
Bear
the
Zombie
Explorer, the
movies.
movie is my favorite,
Oh,
bro.
no,
That
no,
is the one.
No.
Yes.
Fernando, get out the stream, bro. Is
Just
this,
for that, bro.
Is this the
favorite.
new movie? I haven't
I'm
actually
gonna
seen
pin
it.
this comment right here.
Screenshot.
There it is.
You know what? I'm
Pinned.
screenshotting it right now, bro.
I'm gonna end the poll right here, just so it's not clogging. There we go. Had to pin it for you. Had to put it for you, bro. It's so facts. It is just so facts that I had to pin it for him.
What's the little monster she is? What's the little monster she goes around with, or the monkey?
Monster. It's a monkey, mate.
What's the monkey called? What's the monkey
Boots.
called? Boots. Oh, I was
Little
thinking
monster.
of
That little.
I was thinking of Lilo and Stitch, the bad boy.
Oh right.
Speaking
That's
of,
funny.
Stitch is the real OG. Come on. If you said Lilo and Stitch, then that wouldn't have been pinned. You know.
Nah, Lilo and Stitch still would have been pinned. It's quite a good one. What do you mean? I pinned Dora the Explorer because it's a good
Spy
one.
Kids. Spy Kids was sick.
Spy Kids or Shark Boy and Lava Girl. You guys watched that? That was quite good.
Shark Boy. I heard of Fire Boy and Water Girl, not Shark Boy.
That's a game.
Yeah, that's what I'm. What Shark Boy and Lava Girl? What the hell?
Yeah. Come on, guys, help me out here. Surely you guys have heard of that one. Help me out here, guys. I mean, that was out in 2005. I was born. I was 4.
In terms of series, I'm telling you, Vikings is actually sick. When I watched that, I binge. It was one of the only
Hey,
things I binge watched like fully.
it's a bit dead now, but yeah.
What Vikings?
No. Shot Boy Lava Girl. Watching it back. Anime,
Yeah,
absolutely. I agree. What anime do you watch? I'm gonna expose myself here because I probably watch a lot of them, but it's just in the background for me while I'm
yeah.
working. I can't lie.
I've tried to watch anime. I never really liked it. It felt weird.
Hey, get out the stream. You're fired.
Honestly, I don't know. I've tried. Pokemon, maybe if I tried, I could watch Pokemon.
Pokemon is not. Shot
Shark
Boy
Boy
Lava
Lava
Girl was
Girl's
dope.
good.
Exactly,
How
bro.
old is this thing? I don't. Shark Boy Lava.
Yeah, nah, anime is the one, bro.
Yeah,
I
but
don't know what
which
anime you
ones,
guys
guys?
watch.
You gotta tell us
Yeah, go on. Which one? Which
which
type of anime do
animes
you
are
guys
you
watch?
guys watching? Is it?
Lava Girl was very. She was, wasn't she? Probably first crush, when I was 4. Can't lie. Don't know what she looks like now though.
Try to watch
Jujutsu
Jujutsu.
or Kimetsu. What's that? Let's see. I've never heard of those ones.
I swear, there's so many anime though. Surely,
I've just exposed
or are there like
myself.
certain popular ones that everyone
Jujutsu.
just knows?
Yeah, Jujutsu Kaisen. Oh yeah, I've heard of this. Never mind. Yeah, I've heard of it. I haven't watched it. Is it good? Because I actually do want to watch it. It looks like good. One Piece, Naruto, some more stuff. Yes, One
D-
Piece,
does
absolutely.
anime
Naruto,
have to
absolutely.
be made in Asia or East Asia?
Japan, really?
Yeah, but like, let's say you've got just a normal cartoon, it won't be classed as.
No, that's not anime.
No.
Um, there's you can watch Death Note first. It's quite a good one. I think you'll enjoy that one. It's quite intellectually interesting.
Is it Shark Boy and Lava Girl?
That's not an anime though. That's not anime. It's a real live action one.
Yeah, no, I'm just
All right.
I'm watching Blue Lock, crazy anime.
There's Attack on Titan. I haven't watched it fully, but Attack on Titan's finished recently, so that was what, a year ago. I'm pretty sure. That was quite a good one. What was it? Demon Slayer's pretty good.
This isn't what I had in mind when you said Shark Boy and Lava Girl. I thought it was some sort of cartoon. It looks like Spy Kids V2.
It is. No, it was the original.
That's what it's like.
I think it was a better version of the Spy Kids. I
Nah,
personally
cap.
agree.
It can't be a better version of Spy
No,
Kids.
it was better than
Don't do that. Don't
Spy
do that.
Kids.
Japan wins against Germany at a World Cup in Blue Lock style. Oh, did they?
What's Blue
Did
Lock?
they
Is
beat them
that a thing,
yesterday?
eh?
Was that match yesterday?
Yeah. Oh, Blue Lock's a full. Oh, mad.
Chainsaw Man.
Is it
this
because they
what?
played
Is
well?
this what the stream's turned into?
Chainsaw Man, yeah, it just started to say anime. It's great. This is what I'm home right now, guys. I feel at home now. Chainsaw Man isn't that like the same person that created My Hero Academia created Chainsaw Man? I'm pretty sure that was quite a good one.
Alhamdulillah. Oh, he saw my background. He's like, Alhamdulillah.
Yeah, cool.
My go-to
I think it was.
word.
Hey, he knows. As you said, it's gonna turn into a Muslim stream, didn't you say?
This is like the
Yeah,
most
yes.
random stream. We just went from Shark Boy and
To
Lava Girl to
anime to
Alhamdulillah. It's good to just watch
our
that
streams go
nonsense,
crazy,
man.
boys. Our stream goes crazy.
Spread the word. Spread the word.
Spread the word, spread the word. It's good stuff. Just watch the monster and stuff. What do you mean? Oh, the Chainsaw Man. I will do. I'm gonna watch potentially Jujutsu Kaisen because that looks very interesting. Fairy Tail I wanted to get into.
Uh, by the way, I'm not buying on GJ yet. That was a terrible candle. That's not
Yeah, you don't want to buy it.
That's more so a rejection candle for me, not a buy. So
It looks like in the next hour or so I'll get a GBP USD entry here. Grab the liquidity
let's
up
see
top,
what is
looking to
G.
fall back down below. You know my entry requirements. You'll be able to see it.
Yeah, yeah. Elite Man was talking about GU earlier. I think if we did come up into this area, could be a nice sell.
Mm.
I was thinking, in terms of liquidity, it looks like it might have done the grab already. Had highs generated here, pushed up like this, pushed down. If we get a reaction here, and the price
Very
action's
much.
good, could be a nice sell.
That's what I'm thinking. Big sales, big sales. Big sales, boys. I would, if I were you, if you could try to get into it, watch Naruto first. It's quite a good one to get into.
Naruto. What about Dragon Ball
Naruto?
Z? That seems good.
Long. It's long as hell. I mean, to be fair, Naruto's quite long as well. But at least it's finished. Dragon Ball's not finished yet. It's still going.
I think now, can't lie, nowadays I don't have that much time to watch it.
Yeah, and well, you ruined it. You don't watch things out like while you're working, do you?
I could, but then I
I
wouldn't
watch
really
things while I'm
enjoy what
working.
I'm watching. How could you?
10 episodes for one fight scene,
Music,
exactly.
sometimes I can while I'm working.
Yeah.
It
First
depends
anime
on the
I saw
music though.
in Germany channel.
Thinking about short and GU.
What do you mean Germany
Uh,
channel? Like there was a the first anime is in German. Okay, oh, imagine their voice dubs. I bet they go crazy. I'm thinking about showing GU.
10
Yeah, I'm
episodes
showing GU as
for
well.
one fight scene. Wait, what was
Yeah, some
that about?
Dragon Ball, bro. And the thing is, apparently when in their time it's 2 minutes. In 10 episodes, they managed to get 2 minutes of of real time.
Wait, are you talking about Dragon Ball?
Yeah, Dragon Ball. Yeah, Tournament of Power. They literally was fighting for 10 whole episodes, and it says 2 minutes left, guys. 10 episodes
Oh,
later,
as in
still two
in the
minutes.
shot. That's what they said. Jesus, expecting short.
Oh wow, up above her. One
Yeah,
point.
guys, I'll tell you something.
Oh,
I came to a realization recently. I was constantly trying to target high risk rewards, 2 and 3s. And what would happen is I would get them, but it will be like a 30-30-30 thing. So 30% of the time, 30-40%, I would get 1-to-1, take partials, hit break even. 30-40, another 30-40%, I would get my runners would hit their targets. So you get the 1-to-2, 1-to-3s. And then the other 30% were losers. So I figured, why not just always take most of the profit off at 1-to-1, right?
yeah.
Bag the 80%, 90% win rate. But then all I need to do is add on more pairs. So if you can just increase your win rate, and then if you can increase your win rate, obviously, so you know, okay, 90% of the time, 80% of the time, I'm winning my trades, I'm getting the 1-to-1. Then of course you're still holding runners for, your high risk reward targets, but you're securing most of your profit. All you need to do then is add on more pairs. So instead of stressing about high risk reward, doing this, doing that, focus on your actual trades getting a higher win rate, then spread out to more pairs. The way I see it, that's the most logical thing to do.
Agreed. To be fair, agreed.
I think technically that's what Mark did too with his,
Mhm.
but it was sort of,
A bit all over the
it wasn't
place.
as directly as that, was it? It was sort of all of them just
Yeah, yeah.
started doing it.
Just so happens. Yeah, exactly.
And for the stream, obviously that makes it 10 times better because we sort of spend a lot of time just not trading. If that makes sense. We get trades, but it's about one every stream, 2 every stream. So it could be better.
Nothing wrong with that, really, with one every team
Yeah.
to every
I
stream,
think
but
I
it's just
think we should aim for 2 a minimum every stream. In terms of growth on the
I
stream,
mean, as long as they have a decent win rate and they
yeah,
actually do turn out well, then yeah,
that's what I
I
mean.
got
Yeah,
I got no issues with that.
that's the ideal scenario, right? So that's
Yeah.
what I'm saying.
Want to be a real life scalper, go back to the 1 minute and start getting all these things in.
Yeah. I
Yeah,
bagged 50%. Oh, wait, hang on.
what's up, Ahmed? Good morning, good morning. Well, good morning for us. I
Morning,
bagged
Ahmed.
50% on first target, previous high slash or low. Let it run 50. Yeah, agreed. That's a great way to do
Yeah,
it.
that is a good way. I think there's a
Not only
sort
are
of
you securing profit, you're
mathematical,
also reducing
yeah,
risk. It's
there's a
beautiful.
mathematical thing to it. It depends.
Yeah.
You should look at, okay, how often is my runner getting tapped? Because let's say you take 50% off at your first target, or let's say it's 1 to 1 or something, and then but your runner only gets hit 25% of the time. You might actually be better off securing more at your your first target. I've seen a lot of people blindly just say I'm taking partials, but really they end up making less money because they're only taking partials, if that makes sense. 20 minutes to London Open today. Yeah,
Hold on, boys. I've got. Are you about to enter anything, by the way?
maybe.
Okay, I was gonna show
What do
you
you want to
guys
show?
a clip of Almeida, like the hedge fund, the CEO talking about risk and talking about how she doesn't even manage risk, basically.
Oh, I think was it a young woman? I think I saw this.
It was, yeah.
I think I
It's
saw
quite
this.
funny.
Yeah,
It
yeah.
shows that you guys are probably well, we are probably better than her at trading because she was like, stop losses, yeah, we don't use them. We don't use them.
I don't know, I think they must have had a reason though.
What?
If she's
Yeah, the reason
genuinely
to blow everyone's things up, man. Blow everyone's
no, no,
money
but I
up.
mean, did you say it was a hedge fund?
Hmm?
Did you,
Kind of. It's a crypto hedge fund. It's a crypto like investment hedge fund kind of thing.
uh,
Quite
I
loose,
mean, we
quite a
already knew
loose
they
thing.
don't use stop losses though.
What?
We already
No,
knew.
no, but like, yeah, I know, but like, this time it didn't work out too well,
I
did it?
know.
Because they
We'll
lost
see we'll
billions.
see the cliff. What
Yeah,
did they
okay.
end up losing massively on?
She just told about this. I don't know how anyone didn't catch up on this, but
1 minute, not yet, not yet. I
oh
might,
wait, I need to
I might enter on
With
GJ.
risk.
go,
Yeah,
go, go. It's crazy how people got away with things like that, though.
Hang on. Can you stop the share for a second?
Yeah, of course, mate. Go for it.
1 minute. Technical difficulties.
How many trades a day, guys? Trades me once every week, probably one trade a week,
Yeah.
1 or 2 trades a week.
Yeah, mine's probably max 2 a day.
We'll check Discord soon. 1 second.
Yeah. Yeah,
It's
so
just about to.
GJ is closing back inside the area. We've rejected the bottom. So what I'm thinking is the previous 30 minute was strongly bearish, but we're starting to close back up. Still got another 15 minutes left of the hour. So what are the odds if price has rejected this much with 15 minutes left? What are the odds the last 15-minute candle, completes the bullish run and the hour ends up closing bullish? That's what I'm wondering.
Ooh, yeah. Ahmed, we are trading GJ right now, potentially looking for buys. Yeah. Also,
Wow.
when I say 1 to 2 trades a week, it's bear in mind when I developed this strategy. I developed the strategy around when I was working full time as well. So yeah,
Nice. My gain target is 8% a week.
yeah.
That's interesting. How? I mean, I'm pretty sure you're a profitable trader, James. How is that a 8% a week target? Like, when it comes to your psychology, has it affected you in any way, or are you fine with it? Having a set target per week? Because personally, I wouldn't. I just don't like the idea.
I don't target 8%. I just if I get it, if I get a percentage,
Yeah,
I get a percentage. That's how I do it.
it's like aim for the best trades every day, and then just whatever you make, you make. That's
Yeah,
my
everything
thinking.
else follows. That's how I do it. It's a great way to keep pushing yourself though.
Yeah, but
I don't really
yeah, for
think
some people it
realistically you can
works.
target.
You know.
Yeah. We have a benefit as, as retail traders. We don't need to target anything. Yeah, 1 trade per
Stop
week. Yeah,
loss
yeah,
will
yeah.
most likely be below this candle low. I'm feeling a little
On
safer
average.
today, so let's
On
say
average.
12.6. Could be techie. Could it be techie?
Oh, okay. So it's like literally just something in the back of your head, just like, oh, it'd be good to get 8% every single week kind of thing. Got you, got you.
Yeah,
Because I think, yeah, as retail traders, we've got such a great advantage over the hedge funds because we need to target anything. We have no target profit
yeah.
target, so we don't
In
have to keep worrying about that. but I think that's one of the benefits.
Yeah, that's what I thought, GJ. Make that bottom wick, you hoe. What you doing?
Um, yeah, one trade a week or two, 1 to 2 trades a week. So this week I had three. So maybe in the next few weeks I won't have any trades. But last week I didn't. I don't think I had a trade last week. Not too sure. I
We
can't
are
quite remember.
about to, yeah, I've entered, guys. Like I said, stop loss below the low. Yeah, what was target for this will be? I wonder. Do I want to target? Thing is, I'm willing to follow bearish structure here, to be honest. With this whole impulsive move downwards, I'm just going to target this order block here. And of course, once we reach the 1-to-1, or roughly just before then, I'm going to close 75% of the trade and move the stop loss to break even. Or price reverses, taps us out. Anything can happen, guys. I'm just preparing you in advance.
That's not true. Psh,
Anything can happen, but of course I'm an amazing trader, so
yeah, exactly. There you go. That's
yeah.
better.
That is a nice push though. Very nice.
Anything can happen, but I am elite trader, so what I say goes.
Yeah. Of course, of course. Yeah, so TP is, let's just say, yeah, 167920. Final TPM, but once it reaches 1-to-1, I'll close 75%.
I actually want to see this trade 1 second.
Yeah, what
GJ.
was Ahmed saying about I keep over trading? Honestly, Ahmed, I'll tell you something about not sticking to your rules. The day I stopped worrying at all about not sticking to my rules was when I started backtesting properly.
And the day he started actually sticking to his rules.
No, literally, like I used to always worry. Like for example, if my day started off bad, or you know how they say when if you get on the chart emotional,
Mhm.
are you paper trading? No, I've got my MT5 on the side here, Fernando. I don't know if you heard the sounds.
Let
Can you
me
hear
increase
that?
the sounds.
Can you hear me moving my TP? That's my MT5.
No, I can't. Oh, it's because I muted it.
Yeah. What was I gonna say?
When you stop following
Yeah,
when
when
you
I
stop,
stopped,
yeah,
I started easily following my rules when I got more data of my trades.
yeah,
Literally,
that
just
does.
however far back you can go and test your trading plan. For me, I think because I'm on the 15-minute chart, I can go back probably a year and a half.
Yeah,
I've done that. I've got a year's worth of data, and even with all the other strategies I've done, as soon as you get real data, you can just see. It becomes really easy to follow your rules because you know, okay, if I follow the rules, I'm gonna get the same data as the ones I've seen already.
yeah.
I could have worded that better, but
I don't know. I don't know who said it, but yeah, Adeel makes a point. I don't know who said it exactly, but it was like you backtest because like what's it called? History doesn't always repeat itself, but it does rhyme. So like if you just keep back testing, you're eventually gonna get something similar in terms of price action that you've already seen before,
yeah,
or that you've already back tested before, and you could bring it onto live charts. So
that's
that's
it.
the idea.
Yeah, yeah,
And with that confidence, you'll always, you'll be able to stick to your rules. You won't need to worry about the next trade because in the backtest you can see, oh, there's actually a trade right around the corner. So you won't have to keep thinking like, oh, I need to trade this one, I need to trade this one, because you'll know for a fact that after a few like price action, oh, okay, I'll get my setup ready,
yeah,
and I can execute that one. Yeah.
and yeah,
Also, Excel. I use Notion. I can't lie. Sorry,
yeah,
James. I use Excel. I
yeah,
use Notion, which, by the way, link in the description.
yeah, and yeah, like James said, journal everything. That's
Yeah.
true as well. With your live trades, you want to write down, especially if you're new, every single trade you take, screenshot it before. Just screenshot the end result. You don't have to do the before.
Yeah.
Just every single day you take a trade, screenshot it, write down what went well, what you could have improved, and sorry, what went well, what went bad, what could you improve. Literally every single day, try and do that. If you
Yeah.
miss a day, it's
Sweet.
fine, but just get back on it the next day.
Yeah. Yeah.
Me and Mark back in the day, we did this all the time. I don't do it as much now, I can't lie. But I remember I literally had a 200-page document
Yeah. So did I. Yeah.
with
Still do.
with over like 100,000 words, literally
Yeah.
all about my trades every single day. So
Yeah.
when if you're a
Exactly.
beginner, it's good because it solidifies in your mind. Okay, be patient. stick
To be
to
fair,
this
it's good
rule.
to get back onto it as well. To be fair,
I
like
will,
I
yeah.
will,
I do. As
yeah,
soon as I get time, I need to do it properly.
it's
But
definitely a good way to get back into it. You're failing your strategy's failing because you're weak with price action. Well, that's why we're gonna back test, isn't it? We back test to keep,
yeah,
to sharpen the edge, sharpen the, our edge on the market. That way we can have a profitable edge.
I don't
Wait
like
for your
this
setups.
weak
Don't go
momentum. I
looking
can't
for them and fall in love with price action. Just pure reading price action. Yeah, price action is very important. Hey. Allow Ali, man. He's our like squawk.
lie. Damn, Fernandes firing shots, bro.
Honestly, we all aware.
I like how we put the arrows as if like Elite Man can't see it. He's
Yeah. At elite man. All he had to do
just
was at elite man.
you could have said Elite Man. We know, bro. What you doing? Nah,
um,
he's the plug. He's a little
Price
reminder
action,
just in
yeah,
case.
is very important in trading. You can go trading without price action, to be fair. It's possible, but it's gonna be very hard.
We got the first beef in the chat, boys. Elite
Oh,
Man's typing something right now. He's like,
he's got a whole paragraph. Watch out. Watch out. Lee might have to cool off onto like go outside, cool off because there's still snow outside, so you can just cool his head.
yeah,
I'm not sure if you guys are aware, but yeah.
I'm sure some guys aren't. Right.
What's your lot size for this
For
trade?
two
1%.
two
Lot.
percent, 1%.
Yeah,
Yeah,
lot size is subjective. Lot
yeah.
size is very subjective.
Don't risk more than 3%. I'd say it's
Don't risk
subjective. It
more than
depends.
50% of your trade, 50% of your account, really, I would say.
Yeah,
Anything more than 50% stupid.
yeah. I'm not on a massive account right now. I'm just trading a small account. Then I'm doing the FTMO in like
He's practicing for FTMO
potentially
currently.
next week. I'll be doing it live on stream most likely. We'll see. Yeah, soon I need leave. Go give my blood.
Yeah,
Uh,
he's gonna donate. He's gonna donate, but he's sick. He's a hero.
oh, what was he saying this yesterday?
Yeah.
Really? Oh, fair enough, man.
Crazy stuff.
That's it. Is it just generally or to a family member or something like that?
It's just generally, I think some like medical, like like a tent up kind of thing comes up around once in a while around the area, and then
Yeah.
something out. Don't forget your white chocolate and so on and so forth. Get your sugar block back up.
I don't like this movement on the 15-minute, man. I'm gonna wait for how it closes. I don't want to do anything yet, but if it closes somewhere like this or bearish, I might just close the trade. It's not good price action at all.
He doesn't like it.
Technically, you could even say it's rejecting this area, but I want to see how it closes.
Reaching short target on EU 1.04. Lovely stuff, man. Trust your stop loss. That's true, I guess,
Yeah,
but like, there's also like intuition that plays part in my trading, anyways.
yeah.
When I have a bad feeling about something, I'm not very mechanic. I'm not mechanical or robotic enough to just go like, okay, stop that. I embrace my
Right.
emotion when it comes to trading.
Yeah,
White chocolate is paying.
that's it. Now I trust the SL, but the way I see it is if, like Mark said, intuition's built into the plan,
Mm.
and if I see price rejecting this, in another world I will be taking a sell. So the way
Yeah,
I see it, okay, I shouldn't really be in the buy then if I'm taking a sell. Hey, Lima, what are you on about?
yeah.
White chocolate.
I said because like it's always so good to eat sugar after like
Oh, give
after
him
you
less.
or before or after. I can't remember what time, but before or after you have a blood test, you should eat sugar.
Really?
Yeah.
I haven't heard that.
Yeah. That's how I would do it, anyways. I mean, again, if I was robotic and in my trading, if my trading was purely mechanical, then it'd be easier to just have a bot and trade it for me. It'll be easier then, passive income. But it's not because I know for a fact that I use intuition in my trading. Even if some people, I think most people do. It's just subconsciously they don't realize that they do use some sort of intuition when it comes to trading. Even drawing some sort of zone, sometimes they don't have a set rule for where the zones will be. So
Yeah,
in a way, that's
that's
also
true.
intuition.
That's true.
And that's why I do want to create a bot where it's purely fundamental and purely technical though. One day. When I get time, give me time. A bit busy at the moment. But what never happy exactly because the bot. I don't know bots. Again, if trading was so easy as to do mechanical trading rules, a bot is a no-brainer, right? It can follow the rules way better than you can, but no, it won't be as good because it doesn't have your, well, you know, well,
Yeah,
one, it'll show that one, your your strategy actually wasn't profitable to begin with, or two, that you actually use intuition. It's one or the other.
yeah. If I ever had a bot, I would never put loads of money into it because I would never trust loads of my own money in it. I don't know.
Yeah.
I've got something with robots and account copies and stuff like that.
Which
I
indicator is
I sort of
effective?
don't trust
Ooh,
it.
good question. Good question. As for a deal, no indicators at all. No indicators effective.
Yeah, I don't. Yeah, this is all price action, so I'm just looking at the actual candles themselves, highs and lows.
As for myself, it's something
Getting
called a VWAP.
nice.
If you search it, you'll see what it looks like.
All
A
right,
VWAP
guys.
for me.
Once it reaches this black line here, or the one-to-one, basically. Once it reaches near there, I'm going to close 75% of the trade. Move the stop losses to break even.
My guy's on fire
It
today.
is a nice
Um,
close on the 1 hour, to be fair,
and
so
then
far.
another one is volume profile. It because with I don't need any tools that tell me what trend it is because I can see the trend myself with my own eyes. I don't need a tool to show me price action because I can see the price action with my own eyes. The thing I can't see with my own eyes is volume, and that's what I look for in indicators. Indicator, I want the only things I want on my screen are things that are actually useful. For me, a moving average isn't too useful because I can see the trend of the market already. But a volume profile would be because I don't see the volume.
All right, guys. Move stop
How
loss
do you
to break
identify
even.
that? I use major levels of turn. So let's say at a certain
I've
point,
closed
yeah.
75%. All right,
Um,
boom.
there we go. Sorry, I just let a deal because he's gonna record this, and I don't want him to
Nah, not
just
now. I'm gonna
take two,
do. I didn't even
take
do
two.
one for yesterday. I haven't done the one for yesterday. Very bad on my part.
It is, isn't it? So volume profile. How do I read it? So volume profile. There's a few things you can read. So you either look at the value area, so where 70% or whatever percentage you want the value area to be of the volume. So you can use that as like the concentrated amount of volume, so you can trade between those range, or you can use the highs and lows of a certain range. You could also use clusters. Clusters would act as support or resistance in a trade in a session. You can also use the point of control where the majority of what's it called? Majority of positions are executed at. You can use that as a major turning point in the market. There's so many ways to read a volume profile. There are different shapes as well to determine what type of market you're in. Thank you, Elite Man. Thank you, Elite Man. um, but yeah, those are the certain things that you can use. It's a very versatile tool, and you can basically turn it your own, and you can identify things with it however you want to. So let's say the POC is at bottom of the session, and the current price is above it. You can use the POC as some sort of magnet, and you can target that for sales, and vice versa. Or let's say it's in the middle, you can always keep targeting the middle. Or let's say it retests the POC, you can use it as support resistance. There's so many ways to use the volume profile, and that's why I use it quite a lot. Same with VWAP. There's no one way to use it, no one way to read it. Same with price action as well. There's no one way to read price action. But yeah,
All right. Will we get TP before London Open? Let's see. That is a beautiful candle.
that is a beautiful candle. How the hell did you catch that move, man? How'd you catch that move?
I think it's the lack of indicators, maybe.
It's a lack of indicators. Oh, that's what it is. Yeah, you're right.
Nah, I can't check.
16799. Might as well go 168, right? Might as well go 168, James. Psychological level. Do you not think it will keep pushing up with London Open?
Do you not think? Well, like I said, the way I'm looking at this is, I'm just trying to be a bit logical in my stop loss. Sorry, my take profit. We're in bearish structure, so chances are there's a higher chance of it following this bearish structure at the order block and moving downwards.
hmm
Yeah, there's a little more room, but I'm just trying to be logical here.
I think that's what I saw a streamer say, like, don't be a dick for a pip. Or for a tick.
No, that's a good way of putting it. Yeah.
So don't be a dick for a pip.
There we
You sure
go.
surely would have, yeah, executed. There you go.
Yeah,
I
my
was gonna say
TP's
you
been
should
hit.
for.
Of course,
Um,
TP is up to you guys. If you want to hold longer, you got reason to hold longer, then fair enough.
Mm.
If you're
No,
buying
I
too,
see what you mean. There is definitely stop losses above that 16799 level.
yeah, for
Absolutely.
sure. That's why I'll be looking for sells if that does get taken.
Oh, two trades, yeah. Ping
Yeah,
ponging this year. Say less. Because
yeah.
I'm
Let's
gonna be
see.
selling GBP soon. Can we get W's in the chat, please, guys?
W's in chat. Let's go.
I think we gave you W's yesterday, right? Because you almost lost it, and then we give you a preemptive W,
Did I?
and then
I almost
I think
lost it.
I think you did. I don't know. I don't
Yesterday, I'm
remember.
pretty sure was zero drawdown.
Oh, mad. Never mind. My bad.
Yeah, yeah. No, yesterday when I entered, there was no drawdown from here. It's pretty good.
That's crazy. That goes crazy. GBP is still looking like in the next. Oh gosh. Okay. The hour closed, and I'm still not in a trade. That's annoying. No entry requirements on GU quite yet. Again, it will be a bloody. It's gonna be a Discord trade again. Another
Too
Discord
many
trade.
Discord trades.
Too many Discord trades.
I guess. Do you reckon you could do like? Would you ever do a quick live stream, literally a 5 minute thing, saying, "Guys, I'm about to enter." It'd
Yeah,
be
I
tricky
could
to
do.
get people, aware of the stream.
Yeah, it's true.
That'd be the only thing.
Gonna have to. I'm
Or
gonna
you could
back test.
record it and say, and then just post it after saying live
Yeah, but
entry
then
and.
again, you can just record like 20 different videos of you executing a trade and post that. So that's that issue.
You could, but then in the video you could say, by
This
the
is
way,
my
guys.
only trade, I swear. I swear.
Then you could say this is on Discord, guys. If you want to make sure I'm not capping.
Yeah, true. Took profits on EU short. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Let's see Dixie, what's happening with Dixie. There is a major turning point in Dixie soon at 105, 200, 2000, sorry.
Oh, it means
We'll see.
win.
Another W, another
It's like, if,
W.
for example, if I lost, we'll be typing L.
L. But we don't do that, so let's delete that. We
Took
don't L.
profit
You never
on
L's.
EU short at 1.0. I don't need to delete it, bro. Everyone knows.
We never L, bro.
They see the chart on the stream. What's it gonna do? Took profit on EU short. Oh, you got into EUR. Nice.
Yeah, he did. It was a beautiful trade. Thank you for everyone who subscribed, by the way. Appreciate you all. Thank you, thank you. We're trying to grow this channel to try
Oh,
and spread
nice.
spread some positivity in the Forex world,
We're trying to
hopefully.
bring back some respect for trading.
Exactly, guys. Seems like EU gonna drop some more. I agree with you. I do anticipate a
Jesus.
bit of a drop on EU as Dixie looks like it could potentially be turning to the upside soon. Although just be a bit careful as there's structure levels above it that could potentially reject. Be a bit careful. As for gold, I mean gold like is holding this level strong, so we'll see what happens. Do you live every day? We do indeed. We do indeed.
Yeah, every day 6:45 UK time.
Yeah. It's currently a little fun hobby of ours.
Why can't I see this? I
Beautiful
can't
win,
see
by the
that.
way.
Did someone ask what time we're live?
No,
Oh, there
it'll
we go.
come.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it'll come. Yeah,
Ibrahim, I
no
think.
worries, man. No worries.
Yeah, Jesus.
Comfy analysis, stay for the vibe. What can I say?
Mm. We'll have that in the back one day, innit? Just,
For the comfy analysis, stay for the vibe. What can I say?
we'll have that in the back one day, innit?
We're not 115. We're slowly catching up to our Instagram followers here somehow, some
Yeah,
way.
that's weird, man.
That
That
is,
weird.
yeah, I don't know how we've managed to do that, but we finessed the system. What's with gold, gold guys? So gold, I'm looking at shorts currently. So if I'll share my screen as Adeel is waiting for his next setup.
No, go ahead.
There you go. So you can see that we're still currently shorts from 1774. We are, as I said, break even. I am potentially looking at scaling in over here because because of FTMO, I did have to cut my trade off a little bit short, so I had to close here and I couldn't hold runners. So unfortunately, I probably need to scale in over here if I anticipate gold going short. I'm just seeing how price reacts to this level first before I enter, because right now it does look like decent price action, right? So we had oh, whoops, don't want that. This was at one point major support for gold, right? And now we've broken it, and now we're testing it as resistance. So there's a good chance that we do reject it and continue to the downside. There is, however, the fact that this is this level right here, the just the one below it, is a major zone for gold. So this could have easily been the opposite way, right? This was major resistance at a point, and now we're testing it as support, so it could easily go up. So I have to really be sure that bearish sentiment will continue in the short term, anyways, before I even enter this trade. So a more safer one for me right now is GBP USD, right? GBP USD for me is safer at the moment. Yes, it is at a very high point. However, it could easily break through back down into these, minor support, and that would tell me that okay, so bulls are no longer in control and bearish for the meantime, anyways. Bears are currently in control for this market, so I'll enter the shorts, be in with them, put my stop loss above market structure, and then wait for it to run back down. Levels I need to be aware of is obviously this level and this level in an immediate term. I need to be aware of these two levels just in case that price does retest them and continue rallying back up. Although if we do break back down into these levels, I do anticipate this whole entire range. Let me just clean this up for you guys so it's not too messy. If we do fall back into this level right here, I do anticipate this entire range right here to be filled in back into the zone, and that's quite a lot of pips. So, yeah. As it stands, it is going to be around 336 pips. Overall take profit for GU, I do anticipate it to go all the way back down to 1.14, all the way back down. So we'll see. Again, major pippage. It's at 663 pips. Major pippage.
Major pippage.
So yeah, and obviously the risk reward is good too. It goes without saying. If your target is 600 pips, your risk reward is going to be at least half decent.
It better be. It better be good.
She got a negative risk reward, but yeah, whatever. Besides the point. As for GJ, nothing yet. Nothing as of yet. I'll let Adeel take over GJ. To be honest, I don't need to compete in GJ. When I've got this trading partner that kills it every single day, so it's all good. As for gold, again, anticipation for the continue back down, but I need to wait for solid price action to tell me that's the case. So yeah, those are my thing. Actually, here you go. It's a good time to show this video while I'm still sharing the screen. Alameda, CEO, saying that
it's Black Friday, PlusNet have got just what.
Go away.
What's this free advertising, Foxy?
I
really could pull it off without my math degree. Use very little math. Use a lot of like elementary school math.
You look straight out of elementary school.
Is very important.
Bro, why are you roasting it?
Have things like
she lost billions.
Losses. I think those aren't necessarily a great risk management tool. I'm trying to think of a good example of a trade where I've lost a ton of money.
Why is that something you openly
That was such a
admit?
flex.
Like,
that was sort of such a
really
flex.
don't wanna
Like,
go-
I'm trying to think of a time where I lost $10 billion.
1 week later, boom, karma.
I'm trying to think of a time where I lost $1 billion. Shall I hold GU sell? I don't know. Not as of right now. I have no entry requirement for GU sells quite yet. If it does fall back down below, let's look at the hour time frame actually. Yeah. If it goes back down below 1.20, 1.208, then yeah, I'll be holding. She's still laughing. Yeah, I know, it's crazy. She goes crazy, man.
No, I'm saying, was that video before she lost all the money? Or...
I think it was before, yeah. I don't think anyone would listen to her after.
Yeah, that was terrible, man.
I think of a time where I did lose $1 billion. When was it? Oh yeah, yesterday. Yeah, it was a pretty good trade. No stop losses. Yeah. Oh, Bitcoin buys.
That's what I'm wondering. Do hedge funds usually have stop losses? That's the only thing I'm thinking. Maybe that's a normal thing for her to say.
Maybe.
Because I've seen certain hedge fund owners, like they get into these older guys, and someone will ask them about stop loss. They literally laugh. They're like, "Nah, we don't mess around."
Oh, you should have held. I mean, that's hindsight, isn't it, man? That's hindsight. Happens.
Should have held.
Just keep a chat. Maybe keep a note of it, right? Maybe keep a note of every single time you could have held, and made more pips, and then keep a log of every single time you held and would have lost money.
Yeah, Elite Man. This is another thing about the backtesting. What Mark just said. Go back and see if I did hold every single day, would I actually make more money?
Yeah. If not, obviously,
if not, then you'll stop worrying about it.
Yeah, you will. Yeah. That's my advice. Anyways, I mean, take it or not, it doesn't matter. It's your trading at the end of the day.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Plus, if you're really bothered, just hold a tiny amount.
And check the results of it. You can see your P&L sheet later on and be like, oh, actually, you know what? If I held more, then if I closed less early on, then yeah, I I would
Well,
have a
'cause you
lot of
take so many
screenshots. That's
trades,
fine. That
yeah.
happens, man. You can take a lot of screenshots. All your memory for your laptop, for your phone, and everything. It should be entire charts. All right, everything charts, nothing else.
That's it.
Family pictures not needed, mate. Get rid of them. Get rid of them.
Family pictures, can't. For sure not. Come on. Is that even a question?
He's those, right? That's a joke, by the way. Love your family.
Trust logical zones. Yeah, that's it. Just be logical. Is at the zone I'm at, should I hold? Is it more likely that price will go against me or not? If
Yeah, exactly. Like a deal should have held. Huh.
not, actually, that's a perfect example. The logical
Yeah.
thing for me was don't hold the trade.
Yeah, for him because of the bearish structure. There's reasons for him why he didn't hold longer. Because yeah, it did obviously hit overall TP if you held it till that long, but you know, that's hindsight. How many times does that actually happen?
Yeah,
have no answer
maybe
for
there's a
that,
little
so-
bit of bias because recently my runners haven't been hitting fully, so
Oh, there you go then.
a little bit.
The same,
Sometimes obviously that can happen, but
Yeah,
in this case, it did make sense to close as well.
19 minutes more hit. That's all right, man. That's all right.
It's all
No
good,
rush at
brother.
all. Be careful, all right. Stay safe. Don't let them suck too much blood. We need the moderators. We need the mods, bro.
Man's just gonna be scoffing on white chocolate after this. Oh, my
Bro, white
God.
chocolate's elite, you know. I can't lie, white chocolate's
Nah,
elite.
I mean it is good. I prefer dark. It's better.
I don't know.
Dark's one of them acquired taste ones where no one likes it until they start to have it more. Then you start to like it.
Nah, dark chocolate is ass. I would give
Dark chocolate's amazing.
one L. 1L.
To get 2 white chocolate. Amazing.
Amazing guys, keep rolling. Thank you, thank
Nice
you.
one, Ahmed. Ahmed's becoming more and more of a regular too, you know.
Nah, Ahmed's always been, you know.
He has
He
always
just, I
been
think he's a bit
sometimes.
busy. I think he's a bit busy sometimes.
That's true.
That's fine.
It
that
is like
happens.
12 a.m. there,
One
isn't it?
liter. I thought like you give like one losing trade to get 2 white chocolates.
Oh, is that what you thought you said? Nah, bro, come on.
I was like, why give a losing trade, man? Nah, I'm joking. Yeah, to get 2 white chocolates. Yeah, nah. Oh, you get white chocolate for giving blood. Oh, not a bad payout, I would say. Not a bad payout. I'll take that. That's an incentive, I guess. Yeah, so GU is still looking like it could potentially fall back down below. Our stop loss is currently at minimum would be, that's not shift.
I'm
Or would it be
watching
40
some
pips?
Other boys, no cap, but love you guys.
Nah, no.
Damn, took that one straight to the. Nice one.
No. It's
Do you
alright.
mean
It's
other
alright. We
live streams
understand.
or just some YouTubers or whatever?
Yeah, the thing is, like, I know we've just started, so we can't really,
That's it.
like, you know.
That's
just
one
started.
thing we were talking about. Me and Mark, we were saying too fair. We have started early. I wasn't expecting anyone to.
Yeah, exactly.
I feel like we
We
need
didn't
to have
expect
been
to-
streaming
yeah.
a bit longer for people to want, as in have enough respect to watch. If that makes sense.
Exactly.
So you can come and
But, you know-
watch. If after one stream you realize, okay, these guys are all right.
Yeah. Exactly. We didn't anticipate to be. I mean, we're not obviously growing that like amazingly, but we're growing faster than anticipated. That's for sure.
Yeah.
That's for sure.
100 people watching before March next year. That's
The plan. That's
the
the
goal.
plan. Not a goal.
Could
it's a
happen
plan.
a lot sooner.
It will happen.
Could happen a lot sooner. Let's see.
We are very much blessed, Ben. If you were your first streamers,
Oh really?
I hope you find. I know, no, not hope. I know you'll find some value in this channel. I know you will.
I mean, if he stayed, I'm sure he has already.
Mm-hmm.
Choice with that more stuff. What you mean, Elite Man?
There's more stuff to what take. Yeah. Yeah, I don't get that one. Well, I go and be here every day while I
You're a real one, yeah. Especially now you're a mod, Elite Man. You have to come on. We need you to protect us from the.
Yeah, I don't know where Bilal's gone. He's the other one. He's gone,
Oh,
man.
man. I don't know what he's been doing.
He's sleeping right now. He's sleeping. He's probably really busy. To be fair,
Nah, he's sleeping. He's sleeping.
he's sleeping. Yeah,
I
right.
know
Yeah,
he's
okay. Yeah.
sleeping, bro. He's just.
Fair enough. Fair enough.
Lou's been getting smashed off the World Cup.
Yeah, no, he's still drinking as we speak because of the World Cup.
Lou's just drinking. He's a proper English geezer, you know. He's just drinking every day. That's what he's doing.
Oh gosh, I'm really surprised to be honest. It's a fun little thing, isn't it?
Well,
The
yeah,
World
once
Cup.
every 4 years, why not? You know.
If I wasn't trying to grow a channel, I'd definitely be watching the World Cup right now.
Yeah. Actually, saying that, let's see what are the next matches.
Yeah, let's watch. Let's see. Let's see.
All right, boys. We're putting some predictions down. Let's see.
All right, let's see. Actually,
Jesus, Spain
by the way, I don't
7-0.
know the countries and how good they are, so
Wow.
like this is gonna be complete prediction. Let's see.
Battle of the Latinos. Spain have just wrecked Costa Rica. What the hell?
Nah, Spain is a mad one.
Belgium 1-0 Canada.
Did Portugal?
Aren't they
Is
both
Portugal playing or they
French-speaking
won?
countries?
Who?
Belgium and Canada. I think Belgium have a lot of French people there. That's it, because Canada does too. So that's an interesting match. Germany lost to Japan. That's peak. Yeah, some not too interesting games today. They don't look that, you know. Uruguay and South Korea. Is anyone watching any matches today? Let's see what's tomorrow. Oh, tomorrow, England, USA. I wonder how that's going to turn out. Tunisia, Australia, Argentina, Mexico. Today, probably not. Yeah, today, it doesn't look that good, does it? Have you seen this group with Iran, by the way? Such an awkward group. England, Wales, USA, and then just Iran. A little too much beef there, you know. You're on mute, by the way. You're still on mute, by the way. Bro, you're still on mute. What are you doing?
Rah! There we go.
There
Okay.
you go.
Switzerland versus Cameroon. I'm expecting 2-0. Uruguay versus South Korea 1-0. Portugal versus Ghana 4-0. Again,
Did you just write all this down?
yeah, I did. Mark,
Alright, so you're
yeah.
calling it, yeah?
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yes, saying.
Spain, Germany, Sunday. Oh, that's a good match for a Sunday to be. I might watch that.
Spain and
I
Germany.
think
Yeah,
I'll
that
be
is a
in.
very good
I
match.
might be in Worcester then, maybe. But no, I won't. Not for that. I'm on Saturday and Friday. That could be good. What's the next proper match? Yeah, England USA tomorrow. That'll be interesting.
For the people watching right now, by the way, we are 4 people away from reaching 50 people on Discord. So you know, definitely click that link. It's in the description below. It's free to join. We're planning to charge for it around 100, but no plans really. No really. You know, what's it called? No definitive plans. There's speculation, allegedly.
Yeah. 100.
Yeah,
I
deal,
think
alleged.
100's a little soon. I think 100's
Yeah,
soon.
we'll see. Just get it while it's free, I guess.
Yeah,
It's more clickbait than anything, to be honest.
is that the plan?
It was more clickbait than anything, but I guess we were on the same page for a second there.
Nah, I didn't clock what was going on there.
I was like, oh damn. Where's my analysis gone on GU? It's disappeared. Excuse me. Oh, there it is. Okay, cool.
Alright, let's see how this 30-minute closes. Maybe sells 2 on GJ. Let's see
I'll be
what's
selling
going on.
GU with you if we do close goodly.
Yeah, let's see what's going on. We've got a sort of level here. Price is rejecting. We did actually tap into a 15-minute order block. You can just about see it here. If I delete this
Let's
now.
see this weak sell area for pound USD. Okay, I see. There's a sell area over there. Nice. Nice. Killing it. You see these scalps, man. They go crazy. Meanwhile, I get my 1 trade a week. You know, don't mind me.
Yeah.
Okay, 30 minutes. I'll enter at a 30-minute close, and then if the hour closes above market structure, I may end up closing my trade. But I'll say that all. I'll put that all on Discord, and I'll show my analysis and my risk management on Discord. 10 minutes before this trade finishes, and I'll probably end up executing GBP USD shorts. to hold long term all the way back down to 1.175, even further still down to 1.14. We'll see. We'll see. This is gonna be potentially gonna end until like this might pay for the Christmas presents, boys. All right, this is the one that's pays for the Christmas presents. The prezzies. I'd say 80% chance of working out. I would say.
What with these cells?
Yeah. It kind of lines up with everything I normally do anyway. So if my back test says 80%, then
Yeah.
I'd say 80%.
What I'm looking at is, you know, the way we violated this bearish block here.
Yeah.
I'm thinking personally on GJ. If not, maybe it's a liquidity grab. I'm in two minds, to be honest.
Yeah, I can imagine.
But
You
most
have
I
just
would
bought.
target, yeah, most I would target is this low here.
Yeah. you have just
Definitely be
bought
at break even by the time we reach this order block here. That's what I'm thinking.
Understand? Yeah, that makes sense. It makes sense. You can't just completely switch bias like that. It's really hard to do so.
Yeah, I'm thinking more so it's a liquidity grab.
Understand? Yeah, I can see that. We are dropping heavily on GU, but 8 minutes left. 8 minutes left. I'll probably wait for a pullback before I enter instantly. By the way, I'll wait for a pullback back into potentially 1.2075 if it doesn't finish there, and then sell. We'll see. We'll see. Stop loss. There's two places for stop loss. Depends how safe you guys want to be. There's one. I want 1.21400. I'll actually show you guys later when we're about to execute. But yeah, 2 levels for a stop loss here. I might actually split up my my entries. Nah, no need. No need. Pretty safe. Where's my phone? Oh, it's over there. Treasury analytics. What's happening with the treasury right now? In the long term, by the way, guys, fundamentally, USD should be going up in value, because they're increasing interest rates due to inflation. So yeah, I don't expect that to change anytime soon. So I do expect a bit of a U-turn for Dixie to the upside, long term, anyways. So shorting GBP USD at these highs, not a bad idea. Shorting gold at these levels, not a bad idea at all. But wait for your confirmation first, though. Don't just enter willy-nilly and then lose.
Yeah, I probably won't enter this now. The risk to reward isn't that great.
Nah, I see that. It's like it completely dropped.
Yeah. Unless we get...
You might have saved your loss, to be honest. I can't lie to you.
Yeah, unless we get on the next candle, it wicks up first, gives me a nice stop loss. But even then, it's just not worth entering. Not in a rush.
I believe I might miss these entries, though. He's going to save the world real quick.
Yeah, I don't think he scalped anything today.
I think he did. I think he caught 7 pips on GU sells. And he said if I held, he would have made some dosh. I don't even know if that's UK slang for money, to be fair. I just made that up.
What, dosh?
Yeah.
I've heard that back in the day.
Have you? I haven't heard of that.
Yeah.
I'm just making words up, to be honest.
Dosh, man's with a dosh.
Dosh. Ideas given on stream as for educational purposes only. That's a good one. Thank you for everyone who liked the video, the stream, by the way. Appreciate you all. Appreciate you all. Right, come on. How many minutes? 6 minutes left for GU's for GU to close. Again, I'm almost like entering slightly early here, but I really cannot be asked to wait anymore. I've been waiting for this trade for like 3 whole days now, and I can't be asked anymore to wait.
3 whole days.
That's bad marketing. That's bad psychology. That is, but yeah, it's fine. It'll be on Discord. I'm sure we'll find some scaling along the way, even if you miss this, because it's just a 600 pip move. I'm sure we'll find some scaling to go down further. We'll be fine.
This is an impulsive move, isn't it? So it's looking like Price is on
That's
your
insane.
side.
When I say the market goes down, there's a 50% chance it goes down. I mean half, but oh, nice. Okay. You said you given half back to the market, or you made half even more. I can't tell which side you're saying.
Guys, which audio am I using for the reel?
Which audio? 21. Can you do something
Oh,
funny?
nah. I ain't ever putting that on my... Oh, that's the funniest shit, man. To be fair, I'm pretty sure Drake is actually gay, which just makes it more funny.
No, he's not,
From
bro.
what I've seen,
Maybe.
Drake is actually gay.
Maybe. I mean, I was gonna say he's got a child, but that doesn't prove anything. But still, he's got
Yeah.
a child. He's got a whole child,
These
bro.
guys, they're deep in the Matrix, bro.
Deep in the Matrix. They are the Matrix, bro. You
Dro-
got your accounts back. I did. I have got my FTMO account back. However, my payout has been halted, unfortunately, so I can't get my money from my previous FTMO account. But it's fine. We still got my account back. Use Itachi Wisdom, bro. I use Genjutsu on this trade, bro. Don't worry about it. I use Genjutsu on this.
say that again.
No, it's not anything. It's not anything.
Use Itachi. Oh, is that from anime?
Yes, Naruto.
Yesterday I made
Naruto.
40, today I made 20. Pips? Guessing he was Pips?
Yeah. Okay, so I made 20. Yeah, you made half yesterday. That's pretty good.
I mean, that's good, man. Do that every day. Stacking. And like I said, you look like your scalps usually work out.
They
Add
do.
on some more pairs, boom. More trades. And...
Really, it starts going against me, Genjutsu, whoever the market maker is, and start pushing back down again. That's what I'm gonna do. That's actually how I win. I don't actually analyze. I love telling everyone I'm just gambling. It's funny. You see how see how they just leave. They're like, oh, at least they know. At least they know to leave when someone's gambling. But yeah, it's just a bit funny for me. Just a bit of fun, bit of bants.
Just a bit of banter.
What's everyone's plan for tonight then? What's everyone's plan for tonight? Not every day, then tomorrow would be 10.
Oh yeah, don't half it every day, bro.
Don't half it every day, bro.
Then it's a bit techy.
Get to 0.5 pips. How are you catching 0.5 pips? That's spread. That is spread, man. GU is absolutely melting. I want to pull back before I enter. It's fallen back into the zone though. As the 1 hour candle, I do expect a bit of a pullback, especially if the 30-minute finish like this. Top wick for the next 30-minute. Okay. You got time today then? Full stream?
Yes, sir.
Full stream.
Yeah, no sales for me. It's price, the risk reward is shocking here.
Could have ping
Are
ponged it.
you
As soon
getting
as
the GU or not?
Yeah, I am. I'm getting the GU sales for sure. Like 90% sure. Gambling is fun. That's what we're here. Good gamblers. Nah, we're not good gamblers. We're just gamblers.
Yeah, man. What are you talking about?
What's this analysis thing? I don't know what it is. Never heard of it. I see a red button to sell though. It's a way to hide my real strategy.
Let's search. Shall I use the typical hashtags today?
Yeah, could
You
do.
search up Forex hashtags on Instagram, guys. Sorry, on Safari.
That's what I do. That's what I did for this stream, to be fair, I think. That's what I found out.
Yeah, I guess for YouTube it works because not that many people are doing it.
Yeah.
But here, I'm sure everyone and their dad
Oh,
is
nice.
on Instagram doing it.
Okay, so I wanted to retest these Asia highs over here. Back into these levels. We'll see what happens. For anyone who has a small account, this might not be a valuable trading one for you because it's quite a big stop loss. I'm going to be a little bit safer here because I do see... Nah, you know what? Screw it. We only live once. It's still a viable trading option. Oh no, my phone. I can't execute it. Actually, no, I can. I got FTMO.
Are you in the GU cell? Yeah.
I'm looking at it right now, don't worry. I'm looking at it right
Are
now.
you waiting
And
for the
I will-
half-hour close or?
Nah, I'm gonna enter as soon as it pulls back. I'm just checking my risk and what it would be, my stop loss.
Do you want to show your screen
Uh,
or not?
1 second. Just calculating my risk. I don't have my phone. Normally I would, but
Fernando, are you in anything still? Or you out?
zero. Oh. Where's MT5? What the hell? Excuse me, MT5. Open up. Open up. I'm not very good at executing an
Nah,
MT5, so
just watching. Oh, fair enough. You're probably gonna go sleep soon, innit? All you American guys still watching.
you American lot still.
All you American G's gangsters.
Alright, GU. I'm looking to have a sell limit, pending order, sell limit. Here you go, boys, if you guys want it. Sell limit around 1.20759.
Do you want to show your screen?
Yeah, 1 second. I just need to execute. 0.5 price. Enter stop loss. Control C. There we go.
Hard to leave if it's possible. Yeah, man, get the mark signal and then leave. You know what I mean?
Okay, here you go.
I
So
can
I'll
put it on
make it quick
Discord
then.
anyway, Elite Man. So
I'll do it really quickly so you guys can see the signal for where you leave. Okay, so here's my analysis so far. I don't expect these highs to be broken anymore with this day right here. So this is a big wick already on the daily, so I don't expect those highs to be taken. So I'll put my stop loss just above that, 48.8 pips. As for my entry, you go on a 30-minute. We have a structure over here created just before the switch over of London and New York. So I'm looking for that to get retested one more time before continuing back down. I do anticipate also a top wick to happen here before we collapse. So it definitely does line up. My entry so far, here are the numbers. So we got entry is 1.20763. Our stop loss is 1.21251. So the take profit is, you don't need to put that on. It's not very important at the moment. In terms of this, so we have 48.8 pips in risk. So in terms to how to calculate your risk, this is how you do it. So 1% of your account, 2%, however, how much money you're wanting to risk. This is in dollars, by the way. So how much you ever want to risk. Let's say for me it would be 1K divided by 48.8. I think it will. What is it? 220 something. 20 dot dot dot, and then divide that 20 divided by 2, and I'll have two lots. So just to show you guys here, it will be 1K divided by 48 divided by 10. Wow, my math
you
was
had the old
completely
thing
wrong.
still on there.
Oh, did I? So
Wait,
1K
what are you doing? Showing your lots?
divided by 48, yeah,
I think you did it again.
divided by 10.
Wait,
That's my loss.
You need to clear the old stuff, bro. Come on, you did.
There you go. 2.2. Clear
2.2.
everything.
There you go.
That would be the lot size that obviously that I would use on my account, because I'm risking 0.5. But for you guys, however risk you want to do that. Okay, that's for you. That's for US money. You guys, I don't know how you guys calculate risk, but that's how I calculate risk. Just extra information, and we are gonna get entered around this level. So we're about 7 pips away from entry. We'll see what happens, and yeah, what I would do is just set a sell limit, a pending order over here, and just let it run. If you get tapped out, apologies. If it wins, then great stuff.
Nice.
That's it. That's the thing, boys. Hard to leave when it's possible to make money. Nah, just leave, bro. You got it. Just get.
You gotta give that blood, brother.
Yeah.
What am I doing?
I'll stop sharing. There you go. You can have a set screen back. Okay, we're making a top wick now, boys. Pretty good stuff. We want quite a deep top wick anyways, so yeah. We want to grab that lick. Grab that. Grab that elixir. That 15-minute
minute
wig
juice.
was too juicy to
Some
leave
hey, little
alone.
scout.
I love
Jesus.
that. Bro, now go and donate your blood, bro. Go on, just there's
Alright,
always gonna be
you made your
opportunities in the
money.
market.
Now go donate your blood,
Yeah,
bro.
you made like 22 pips, 23 pips now. That's more than half, but before you're good. I'm sure
I
all the
like this
early
scheme back
sellers have
then.
been tapped out by now. If
Yeah,
this
it's
isn't a
pretty
tap
good,
out
isn't
yet,
it? It's
is
pretty
this?
good. I could just about read it because you know how they design it in a different way. But obviously, I understand what it means.
See you tomorrow, man. Thanks for coming, man. Thanks for coming down. Appreciate you always. Always appreciate you.
It's interesting when you're Muslim. You grow up and everyone learns how to read Arabic but not speak it. As in, like, you can read Arabic and then, but the actual language itself, you can't talk to people in it. It's actually quite interesting. I feel like they should teach you it when you go to mosque when you're younger.
That's even more though. That's quite a lot of things to learn, isn't it?
Yeah, but I mean, saying that, when I went
Quite a
mosque,
lot. Not only you got school as well. There's quite a lot to learn, I would say.
no, but I mean while you're there. Because basically we
I
used to go
suppose, yeah.
2 hours a day, basically 5 days a week.
Yeah.
A lot of the time, you spend time reading the Quran, but I feel like the first thing they should do is teach the kids Arabic. Because how much more interested are they going to be in the religion if you actually know what you're reading?
I
Because
suppose.
to
Yeah,
this
you're right.
day, when I pray, Salat or the prayer, I'll be reading it, but I don't actually know what I'm praying. Obviously, you can see the translation, but you're really just going through the motions. I think they should teach the actual Arabic language to
That makes sense.
put a much more
I
focus
see
on
your
it.
point.
It's like, imagine you were doing your morning prayer to God, the thing you said you do. You didn't know what you were saying. You
Yeah,
were
it
purely
wouldn't.
saying it
Yeah,
because someone told you to say it.
that's exactly. Yeah, but for me, I would do it obviously because I want to do it because obviously I understand kind of like what I'm saying.
That's it, yeah.
It makes sense.
Don't get me wrong, yeah. Just the actual action itself is good for you.
Yeah,
Because in your head, you know, I'm praying to God. But
yeah,
if they taught you what you were doing, the Muslims will be so much more like stronger in their belief, most likely.
yeah. It's true. To be fair. Fair point. Fair point.
But do you speak in Filipino or English?
I
What do
do.
you do?
When I just speak normally.
No, I mean when you're praying. To
Oh, no, English.
English, yeah.
My English is practically my first language now. It used to be my second language, but it's practically my first language now.
Mm.
I speak it more than Filipino now. I can still speak both.
Yeah.
Very well, English I can somewhat speak fluently, kind of. But yeah,
Risky, where are you from? I'm pretty sure you said you're from London. Oh, sorry,
I
you're
think
from England.
UK,
at
you know.
least. UK.
I think UK because he was the same time zone as us.
That's what I'm thinking, yeah. We're both originally from just below Birmingham in Worcester.
Hmm.
Right now I'm in Loughborough, if you know where that is. Just below Nottingham.
Doxing himself, lovely.
Well, what does that mean? You always say that. Doxing.
It's like when you leak information.
Bro, who cares
Like-
what city I'm from, bro? What are they gonna do? Saying that, I just get stream sniped. They call the
Exactly.
SWAT just blast through the door.
That's exactly it. Yeah, that's exactly it. You
Yeah.
leak private information and you get like.
Eventually, what I want to do is, for like maybe for a year, live in a penthouse, and the background of the stream is just the view of the city. Imagine how
Yeah.
sick that would be.
That'd be cool. I am looking to move out soon, to be fair, but the issue is I'm going to be going to the Philippines for basically half the year next year.
Yeah, so there might be no point.
So moving houses and paying rent on top of going to the Philippines, paying rent there on top of going traveling, it's going to be quite expensive.
True. Oh,
And I
right,
can't be
is
asked
your
to
auntie
really be
paying
doing
rent
that.
there?
What?
You said you're gonna live with your auntie, or
Yeah, but I don't really want to take advantage of that. I kind of want to get the whole like experience of having to pay for my own stuff as well.
right? Okay.
I don't want to rely because that's not going to happen in every country, right? I'm not going to have an auntie that has houses that's free
True,
in every
but
country.
actually, it just depends how deep you want to go in it.
I want to try it. This is basically my first taste of traveling, trading while traveling, basically.
Yeah,
Obviously, I tried it during holidays and stuff, but it's not really like the same.
this will be for real. 6 months.
Yeah, exactly. This is the real deal.
That'll be sick. What time is it? You know what? Do you want to wait until you get the GU entry?
I've entered. I've just entered.
Oh, is it pulled back?
Yeah, as anticipated. We'll see what happens here. There you go.
Oh,
So
he's getting the live entry, boys. There we go.
I anticipated a retracement back here. And we have entered. We have now entered.
Noosh, noosh. Alright, if you've entered, I've done my trades. Do you wanna wait while we see what happens, or?
No need.
Yeah.
If we gotta
Yeah,
go, it's calm. It is calm, my
I
guy.
was gonna say, might as well shoot off.
Yeah, we got the win. We got the dubs. We have another entry that should hopefully last us until tomorrow. I mean, fingers crossed. Hopefully we don't get absolutely just destroyed first thing in the market. That would not be ideal for my sanity.
Yeah, if you want to see how that trade works out, just join the Discord. It should be alright.
Yeah, it'll be in the Discord. Yeah. Anyways,
Sound boys, thanks for tuning in.
thank you for everyone who thank you for everyone who subscribed. Thank you for everyone who liked the video. Appreciate you all.
Yeah, same time tomorrow, 6:45.